Glass frogs are intriguing creatures with transparent skin, revealing their internal organs. Despite their see-through appearance, they are skilled at camouflage. Males actively guard eggs laid on leaves, exhibiting unique parenting behaviors. Their vibrant vocalizations fill the night air during the breeding season. Found in Central and South American rainforests near streams, they have distinct toe shapes and come in over 150 species. Elusive in the wild, they face conservation concerns. Glass frogs continue to fascinate scientists, who study their transparent skin and unravel their biological mysteries.